So this is the Samanvai Westfield. These are the raw bungalows at the moment. It's in the Vasna Baili main area, main road, Vasna Baili road. This is one of the ready sample villa which is made. It's roughly about 3,500 square feet built up area. This is a car park and extra space, and this is a side garden, extra land. This is a side view of the villa. Here the meter box. Now there's a veranda here, additional veranda, and we start from here. So we start into the living room. It's furnished. And inside the view is like this. Start with kitchen. This is the extra storage for kitchen. Quite spacious and great. These tiles will be given, the combinations will be given. Only the modular thing, the wooden thing, will not be covered. And this is also extra done, so it won't be covered. Only the platforms will be provided with the sink. Also sink will be provided. So it's quite spacious and good kitchen. And once you come outside, this is the utility space, also quite big. So there are two doors to access the utility area, one from the kitchen and one from the bedroom. So this one is from the bedroom, and this one is from the kitchen. Now this is a ground floor bedroom. It's about 11.5 to 10 square feet, so roughly about 125 square feet. Okay. It's decent enough, and as I told, there's a entrance exit to the backyard, the utility area, and this will be as is given except the wooden thing which is here. This is a common toilet for the guest, powder room. Then we head upstairs. So we have a open area from this side, open area from front. It's quite, the elevation is quite different and spacious again. It's not very narrow. Then we have glass stuff. So once we come upstairs, this area ideally is for the family sitting area. It's like almost like a room, 10 by 10 or 10 by 11. This is a sitting area, and this one is the puja room. Again, it's quite spacious. So This separate puja room is there, and we have bedrooms on the opposite side. This is the master bedroom. All rooms are master bedroom. So there's a window here, there's a window here. 3 windows are there in this master bedroom, and after keeping all the furnitures like the TV unit and the wardrobe, again there's a good space on left and right. Okay, now bathroom. It's quite spacious, very big bathroom. If you see, there's a shower room. Almost 2 or 3 people can easily stand, just for the sake. But આરામથી 2-3 જણા બી ઊભા રહી શકે એટલી મોટી જગ્યા છે. Commode also is very spacious, very nice again. And there is a dress. There's a almost 4 door or 5 door sort of sliding dress cupboard. And then we go to the bedroom number 3. So there's a dressing area here, there's a wardrobe, there's a extra interiors being done. This also a nice spacious room. So if you see, good walkway, and then we have a standing balcony here. Not standing, it's just a door with a grill, and there's a sliding opening. So but the sliding is the entire full size sliding. And then we have a balcony here, so easily 2 chairs and a table can be plotted here, and it's open to two ways open side. And then this is also attached bathroom. Okay, this is considerably medium or a small size bathroom. There is no dresser over here, so yeah. But the flooring, the finishing tiles, the wall tiles, the bottom matte finish tiles, all the fittings, good branded, Kohler brand. Yeah, this is the brand name Kohler. Good, very premium finish. Then we go to level 2. Again we have good breathable space, windows for air to, good ventilation. So again, when we reach level 2, we have a good space here. We can convert into an office, library, or anything, whatever we have the plan. So it's like this. Here we have a light passing through, so good sunlight coming into this area of the common area. First we'll see the bedroom. So this is the most biggest size. Can be converted into an entertainment room or even a bedroom. Roughly about 200 square feet room, very spacious. It's like a big living room sort of a thing. Okay, and then we have a small balcony here for the room. It's not small, again, like 4 people can easily stand, or probably we can put a jula or sort of stuff here. It's a spacious balcony. And here we have the St. Globin glass, which is very good branded. Okay, now this bathroom is almost like a small bedroom. It's by 10 by 11. It has again big size of shower, and then dresser can be put it here. So very big size. Bathroom. And then we head towards the open terrace. So the open terrace is that the China mosaic flooring. Again, massive size. Good thing is they have given a sort of આપણે કહે ને કે એક divider છે અહીંયા, so we can put any sort of thick paper or garment કે કોઈ fabric એવું thick fabric અહીંયા લગાડી શકે to cover this, so there's a privacy maintained between the next villa and this villa. So this can be covered, or we can also put a cement thing to uplift this area. So it's like a sloping texture. It's a cement cement sheet with a certain chemical based material which is waterproof. And we have one more terrace to be with the help of ladder we can go, and there's one more terrace upstairs for there's a tank, and yeah, it's a good amount of space upstairs as well.